Alright, this is Lab 7 stepper motors. My name's Ben Johnson. Here is my circuit, 5-volt battery pack, potentiometer here, it's the Arduino, and then the post-it note on top of the motor so we can see it spin. So first I'll show you my code for the motor moving forward and reverse, and also at 2 speeds using the potentiometer. So this is the code. These are my if statements, which basically say, depending on the potentiometer position, the position changes the X value here, which is my delay time, which basically just changes the speed. So the potentiometer changes the speed in that way, and then it also changes the direction. With this if statement, if it's less than half of the 1023, then it will spin clockwise, and if it's greater, then it will spin counterclockwise. So here is that code functioning. I'll connect the H bridge to 5 volt, and so potentiometer is all the way to the left, and it is spinning counterclockwise at a slow speed. And then I'll just twist the potentiometer a little bit, and it will start moving counterclockwise at a faster speed. Then I will twist it a little bit more, and it will change directions, and it's going slow speed clockwise, and twist it a little more, and now it's going fast speed clockwise. And so then I also have the different degree increments in this code here. So I declared my pin modes here, and then in the loop I have the different degree movements. So I have the for statement with my eyes as the counter. And so initially I had 2048/4, but it was spinning 4 times. And that is because of the calculations. In the lab, it says it's a 64-to-1 gearbox. So using that logic, it's 2048 steps. But on the motor, it actually says 16-to-1. So using that number, it's 512 steps. So that is why you see 2048/16 instead of 2048/4. It's the same thing as 512/4. But basically this is just going to iterate 360 degrees counterclockwise first, and then clockwise, and then we change to 180 degrees by dividing 2048 by 32, and then it does the same thing the other direction, and then we have 90 degrees dividing 2048 by 48, same stuff again, and then lastly we divide 2048 by 64 to get 45 degrees. So here's that code working. So that's 360 degrees counterclockwise, 360 clockwise, 180 counterclockwise, 180 clockwise. That's 90 counterclockwise, and then 90 clockwise, and then 45 degrees, and 45 degrees again, and then it restarts.